I wonder what would happen in first gear.
Oh, it'd just top out really fast. It'd go and stay in first gear. Oh shit. Dude, you could hop that bank.
Probably. Reverse.
Mayhem. Oh, I hit my head on the ceiling. Oh shit. Nice.
Hey, that wasn't bad.
That was actually pretty good. Your dad's gonna say it so well. Would he be mad?
What?
Would he be mad if you knew he was beating up his truck?
I don't care. I don't know. Uncle Mike probably call the cops.
Oh shit.
Oh god. We're stuck. Oh, freak.
Your ass is grass. Dude, I'll go get the Jeep. I can come pull you out.
Alright.
You're burying yourself. Don't worry, dude. I'll go get the Jeep.
Alright.
I'll go get something to pull you out.
Shoot.
Got it. No, rock it, dude, rock it. No, dude, you want traction, dude. Don't spin it hard. Just like, go slowly onto it, and then when you start, dude, you're not going nowhere. You're burying yourself. You want me to pull you out?
Hey, get out and push. Or see.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, are you got yourself for it? Caleb. Caleb, smile for the camera.
It's hot.
What happened, Caleb?
Well, I was drifting, and I drifted into
The woods.
The woods.
And that's his dad's truck.
Yeah. As you can tell, it's a piece of crap already.
Piece of junk.
He doesn't really care, I don't think. But if he got stuck, he'd be kind of ticked off.
No, that was densely populated woods. We took out, I know, 3 or 4 trees, and I bet 80 pounds of briars and bushes or whatever that is.
Alright. Dude, we came in like, dude, holy crap. Look how close we missed that.
I know.
Dude, look how close. Dude, we had to.
You scraped the trees.
I know.
Look, no, ladies and gentlemen, big trees. Scrapage. See that? That was his truck. It could have been the front. Oh, you broke a tree right there.
Yeah.
Drifting gone bad.
But
Truly.
of course we can talk about the good drifts over there.
Yeah, we can talk about the good drifts on my our other film that you witnessed us crash. This is just the aftermath. Caleb, are you proud of yourself?
Heck yeah.
And who can drive?
William can drive.
Thank God we got it out. That way we don't get shot at by his dad. Or his uncle. More preferably his dad, because his dad's nicer than his uncle. This is our path out. That's where we landed. Landed?
And the excuse?
Road?
Just a big deer patch.
Land.